So it's time to talk about my most favorite bullet lipstick formula that I have used till date. Welcome back. I hope you all are doing well and you are staying safe. So I'm back with another lipstick review video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Calabar Sinful Matte Lipstick. So these are the lipsticks which I have been using since a long time, since Calabar has launched her Sinful Matte range, and now I thought that definitely I can review these lipsticks because I have got 8 shades to talk about. So I have got 6 shades from her regular Sinful Matte collection and 2 from her newly launched Calabar X Jacqueline Fernandez collection. So in total I have got 8 shades to talk about. I'm going to swatch all of these lip colors on my lips as well as on my inner arm so that it will be easier for you to know the shade. At the same time, I'm going to talk about the product, the formulation and everything in detail. You know the drill. So I hope you're gonna definitely love this video. If you're watching me for the first time, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and click on that small little notification bell next to the red subscribe button so that you may get updates every time we upload a new video. So without any more blabbering, let's get started. So these are the Calabar Sinful Matte Lipsticks which Calabar has launched long time back. Now she has come up with new shades in this particular collection in collaboration with Jacqueline Fernandez, out of which I have purchased 2 shades which I am going to talk about. All of these lip colors are easily available both online and offline. You can get it from Nykaa, from Amazon, from Flipkart, from the own official website of Calabar Cosmetics, basically from where I get most of my Calabar products. These are also available offline in Calabar retail stores, in Calabar counters. If you are visiting any mall, you can surely pick this up from Calabar counters. These are priced at rupees 1,200 each for 3.5 grams of product. The regular ones and the Sinful Mattes which are in the Jacqueline Fernandez collection are priced at rupees 1,299 for 3.5 grams of product, which I think is quite pricey. So I would highly suggest you guys to pick this up during sale when Calabar provides a flat 30 to 35% off on most of our products. So these are very easily available. I know the price point is a little steep, but get it during sale time guys and you're not going to regret buying these. So now coming to the packaging of these lip colors. So the Calabar Sinful Matte lipsticks look something like this. Each of these lipsticks from her regular Sinful Matte collection comes in this kind of outer cardboard box, magnetic cardboard box, having very good quality, complete matte texture. It looks beautiful. It's a good box in which you can definitely store some of your dainty pieces of jewelry and you just don't need to throw this away. But the ones which you will be buying from her Jacqueline Fernandez collection comes in this kind of outer cardboard box, glossy packaging, similar magnetic box having the picture of Jacqueline Fernandez on it. So now coming to the actual lipsticks. These lipsticks feel super luxe when you hold it in your hands. These are having completely copper metal body with a magnetic closure which shuts really tightly. It has got a very nice weight to it. The regular Sinful Matte lipsticks look something like this, but the ones which you will be buying from her Jacqueline Fernandez collection is having the signature of Jacqueline embossed on it. So that's the only difference. Otherwise both of these lipsticks look completely similar. And when you open the cap, this is how the actual lipstick looks like. It's a bullet lipstick, but you can see it has got a beautiful velvety texture all over the body which has given it such luxe feeling, and when you apply it, it just applies like butter. So this velvety texture has given it such a beautiful formulation. And the lipsticks which you'll be getting from the Calabar X Jacqueline Fernandez collection looks something like this. This looks even more prettier than the regular ones because the bullet looks so amazing. You can see the gorgeous velvety texture, the detailing of lips embossed on it with the Calabar logo. It looks absolutely stunning guys. I don't feel like using it, but I have used it. I have swatched all of these shades for you. I'm just giving Calabar 10 on 10 for this amazing packaging, both for the outer packaging and the actual lipstick. These are very travel friendly products which you can definitely carry in your purse or in your bag and travel with it. So now coming to the shade range of these lip colors. So the regular Sinful Matte lipsticks of Calabar Cosmetics are available in total 24 shades. You can choose from a number of browns, nudes, gorgeous browns, everyday nudes, which will be working for a lot of skin tones out there. You'll be finding different tones of reds, pinks, plum, dark, deep, vampy shades. You will be getting your perfect shades. The newly launched shades in her Jacqueline Fernandez collection are available in total 4 shades, out of which I have picked up 2 shades. So you'll be getting a lot of shades in this collection. You can choose choose your favorite nude color, favorite red shade from this collection, and the shade range is really extensive, which I absolutely love. So the shades which I picked up from her regular Sinful Matte collection are number 1 Scene, number 5 Envious, number 7 Sultry, number 13 Kinky, number 17 Corset, and number 20 Nasty. So these are from her regular range. From her newly launched shades in her Jacqueline Fernandez collection, I picked up the shade 27 called Dirty Date and 28 called High Key. So what does Colorbar claims about these lip colors? Colorbar claims that these lip colors are matte lip colors which are so rich, so silky and so bold, which I completely agree. These are having completely rich formula, guys. You'll be able to see it soon. It's practically sinful. Every stroke gives you a powerful blast of long-lasting color and luxurious matte finish. Yes, these will completely luxe on the lips. So it creates the light as well, a full color payoff in one magical stroke, which you will be able to see. Sensually creamy and brilliant in texture for most comfortable wear all day long. So these are very comfortable lipsticks. I completely agree as well. Formulated with optical diffusers that blur the appearance of imperfections for fearless wear. Yes, it does. It acts as a primer. It helps in just blurring the lines that you have on your lips. It's definitely going to make your lips look smooth. This formula is cruelty-free, talc-free, paraben-free, and dermatologically tested. But so these are the claims that Colorbar has made for these lip colors. We will be able to see whether the claims are justified or not. But before that, I like to show you the application and the swatches of these gorgeous shades on my lips as well as on my inner arm. It will be easier for you to know the actual shade. So after that, I'll be talking about the pigmentation, my final thoughts about these lip colors. So let's move on to the swatches. So coming to the first shade that I picked up is number 1 called Scene, and this is my most favorite and my most used nude lip color from this entire range. It's a typical deep dusty rose color which is having hints of muted wine with a little bit of mauve, having rich brown undertone. It suits every skin tone out there. So if you belong to fair, medium, whitish, deep, tan, dusky skin tone category, Scene will be looking absolutely gorgeous on you. You can pair it with your intense bold eye looks like grey eyes, burgundy eyes, a plummy toned eye looks with your cool tone eye looks, as well as on an everyday basis if you want that perfect deep dusty rose shade, which will be pairing up with most of your outfits and will be looking gorgeous even if you don't have any kind of makeup on your face. Try out the shade Scene and you're going to thank me. So another beautiful shade that you can definitely try out from this collection is number 5 called Envious, and it's a beautiful deep peachy nude color which is having hints of coral, having a rich warm brown undertone. This shade also looks amazing on all Indian skin tones. On British skin tones it looks absolutely gorgeous, but if you belong to very deep skin tone category, it will be looking a little more coralish and vibrant and neon on your lips. In that case, you can apply a brown lip liner underneath this lip color and try this one out, guys. You can pair it with your warm tone eye looks like matte brown eyes, brown smoky eyes, or peachy tone eye looks like peachy glittery eyes like the eye which I have created today, or on an everyday basis if you want to get that beautiful summery peachy lip color. Envious is a shade that will be looking absolutely stunning on you. So the next shade is something that I mostly use for any kind of my festive eye looks or for any kind of occasions. I swear by this color, and you guessed it right. It's in number 7 called Sultry. It's a beautiful deep pink color, kind of magenta pink shade which is having purple undertone, and this particular shade looks so gorgeous on all Indian skin tones. Fair, medium, British, dusky, tan, deep, any kind of skin tone, guys. Sultry will be looking absolutely stunning on you. It has got purple undertone, so it just makes your face look so bright. You can wear it with your champagne eyes, with your golden eyes, with your rose gold eyes, but I would suggest you to wear it with your bold black winged eyeliner or with your neutral eye looks, with your Indian wear or for any kind of special occasions. For the brides out there, if you want to get that perfect pink which will be not looking washed out, at the same time will be looking so beautiful on the lips, Sultry is a shade for you. So the next one is a red shade, and it's in number 13 called Kinky. It's a beautiful true red color which is having pink undertone. It's a pinkish red, but I would say it's having more like raspberry pink undertone, which makes it suitable for all Indian skin tones. It's a perfect holiday lip color, perfect for that Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve. If you want that perfect beautiful looking red on you, it is having such rich formula, guys. At the same time, looks so beautiful when you pair it with your champagne eyes, with very neutral eye looks, and it looks the best when you pair it with 90s bold black winged eyeliner. So I love it. Kinky is another gorgeous shade that you can definitely try out from this range. So the next one is a peachy nude shade. It's in number 17 called Corset, and one of you guys actually recommended me to try this particular shade out. This is how Corset looks on me. So it's a typical peachy nude color which is having warm brown undertone. This shade is mainly going to suit fair to medium to wettish skin tones. If you belong to dusky tan skin tone category, it will be looking washed out on you. Still, if you want to pull this off, you can apply a deep brown lip liner underneath this and wear this lip color. It will be looking amazing with intense smoky eyes like black smoky eyes, blue smoky eyes, teal smoky eyes, brown smoky eyes, or on an everyday basis you can surely wear this. I love peachy nudes on me, so this is such a gorgeous shade which I absolutely love. This is in number 20. It's the shade called Nasty. That beautiful deep brown shade which is having brick undertone will look gorgeous on all Indian skin tones. If you belong to the deepest skin tone category, this shade will be looking such gorgeous brown nude on you. I love this color. It's a perfect fall lip color which will be pairing up really well with any kind of neutral eye looks or with your vampy dark eye looks as well, guys. It pairs up really well with traditional Indian outfits as well, so this will be looking absolutely gorgeous. That perfect brown from Sinful Matte range is a shade called Nasty that you guys will be definitely loving. So the next one is from the Calabar X Jacqueline Fernandez Sinful Matte Lipstick collection. It's the shade called Dirty Death number 27, and it's a beautiful muted pink color which is having hints of dusty rose with warm undertone, and this shade will be also looking gorgeous on all Indian skin tones. It's a perfect summery lip color that you can pair with your really neutral eyes like soft pink eyes, soft peachy eye looks, or just with your mascara and your bold winged eyeliner, guys. It looks so pretty. It just helps in making your face look really radiant and bright. And if you are just a college going girl and if you want to get that perfect pink, muted pink yet wearable pink, the shade Dirty Death is for you. It looks beautiful on the lips. So the last one is from the Calabar X Jacqueline Fernandez Sinful Matte collection. It's in number 28 called High Key, and this is a shade which I am wearing today. As you can see, it's a very nude brown lip color. It's a medium warm brown nude which is having caramel undertone, and it's going to mainly work if you belong to fair to medium skin tones. On British dusky tan skin tone category, it looks really dull and washed out on you. This particular shade is definitely going to work with intense heavy eye looks like glittery eyes, like intense smoky eyes, black smoky eyes, brown smoky eyes. If you belong to very fair skin tone category, you can surely use this as your everyday kind of lip color. I really love this kind of caramel tone nudes for the fall season when I have created very intense eye looks. So this is also another nude color that you can definitely try out from Calabar. So guys, I hope you have seen the application and the swatches of these amazing lip colors on my lips, and yes, these look absolutely stunning. When you apply it on your lips, it also feels really gorgeous on the lips, mainly because of the formulation. This is by far the best bullet lipstick formula that I have used till date. So these are having completely velvety, creamy, smooth texture. When you apply it on your lips, it glides on your lips effortlessly. No tugging, no pulling. Complete opaque pigmentation in one single go. Very pigmented lip colors. You don't have to layer it on a number of times. At the same time, since these are having that velvety texture, it's going to blurs out all the imperfections and fine lines that you have on your lips. It just gives you that kind of primer effect on your lips and create a very beautiful smooth finish on your lips, which you are definitely going to enjoy. So the pigmentation is amazing. The formula is so good, guys. Feels like rich butter on the lips. At the same time, when it settles down, it's going to give you that soft demi matte finish. Not 100% matte finish. These are having soft demi matte finish which feels really comfortable on the lips. So I haven't seen any kind of pigmentation difference with the shades, guys. The darker shades, the lighter shades, the very light nude shades also work so well and is having the similar kind of pigmentation when I have applied on the lips. These doesn't have any kind of crumbling effect on the lips. It settles into a semi matte finish, but it feels really lightweight on the lips. you are going to see the richness of the product, the lipstick, when you apply it, but you won't feel that heavy kind of thing on your lips. So it feels really lightweight. Today I'm wearing it for a very long time, guys, and still you can see I'm not feeling that I have a lot of lip product on my lips. So lightweight texture, very pigmented, such amazing formula. These are not transfer proof lipsticks, guys. It's going to transfer, and it's going to transfer this much of transfer is there. So it's going to transfer if you are wearing it under your mask, which I don't mind. I wear my bullet lipsticks under my mask, guys, and it transfers, and I don't mind that. So these are not completely transfer proof lipsticks, and it's very easy to remove these with the help of any kind of makeup remover you have. You don't have to work really hard. It can be easily removed with the help of your micellar water, with your cleansing oil, cleansing balm, any makeup remover you have. So, and another thing that I can say about these lip colors is that if you have very drying, chapped lips, cracking lips, you can surely use this lip colors, because in spite of being a matte lipsticks, these are not at all drying matte on the lips. These are very comfortable matte. So when you apply it, it's going to create that nourishing, moisturizing kind of effect on your lips, which will be settling into a soft matte finish, at the same time going to moisturize your lips, which I absolutely love. Perfect for the winter months. When you want to use bullet lipsticks, I think you can surely use this, guys. You are not going to regret buying amazing lip colors. The formulation is out of this world, guys. It can beat super duper high-end lip colors as well. So surely you can try this. So that's all, guys. This is my take on the Calabacian Full Matte Lipsticks, and I would say this is my favorite bullet lipsticks that I have used till date, guys. Having the best bullet lipstick formula. I have tried a lot of lipsticks, guys. I am still buying so many lipsticks and trying out so many new formulas, both high-end lipsticks and affordable drugstore ones. I would say this is having the best bullet lipstick formula. If you have trust on me, just keep my words and buy at least one shade, and you're not going to regret buying. This video is not at all sponsored. I have purchased all of these lip colors by myself. I know these are expensive lip colors. The price point is really steep, but I would say this worth every penny of yours. So you can try it. Wait for the sale and grab it at a discounted price, guys, and you're not going to regret buying. Grab it during offers. I'm going to put the links of all of these products down in the description box. If you want, you can definitely check that out. And if you want me to review any other lipstick range or any other lip colors, just let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be surely buying it for you guys, and we'll be trying it for you. We'll review that product. Just let me know in the comment section down below. And I hope you really liked this video. If you did, do not forget to hit on the thumbs up button or like button. If you are watching me for the first time, and if you like this video, just hit on the subscribe button, because that will help me to grow. I am trying so hard for such a long time. Still I'm not growing. So you can definitely share this video with your friends and family on any other social platform you want, because that will help me to grow. So we'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Bye, guys.